Acura Builder here. So today I want to show you guys the differences between steering wheels, particularly for the 07, 08, and the softness, because it seems to me like there's not a consistency between the steering wheel softness. Some steering wheels are harder, some medium, and some soft. So here I have the rarest steering wheel for the TL. And this is more rare than those full real carbon fiber ones by far. You won't find these. And if you do, you're extremely lucky. So this one is in mint condition, as you can tell. It's got no anythings on it. Nothing. And this is the ASPEC steering wheel. It's that faux carbon fiber one. You might have it in your car, like on the doors and on the center console, but not all the center console, because the cup holder and where the seat warmers are, those little two buttons for the heating the seats, there's a carbon fiber piece there as well, and those are rare pieces. The cup holder boundary and the rear seat the seat heater buttons. I just woke up. And so this steering wheel, yeah, is exceptionally rare. So if you can find that anywhere, in any condition, I would snag it. Because these are... I paid for this. Unfortunately, I paid what somebody was asking. And it was, you could basically buy a TL for that. So, anyways, the softness of them. I have a brand new steering wheel here. And I was hoping it was going to be one of the soft ones, but it's the medium soft. I can do this with one hand, I apologize. So, let's see. I haven't opened this before. We're going to do an unboxing of sorts. It's kind of sealed. So, let's open the steering wheel. I'm just going to rip at it. You know what? Let me just do it through the thing. So, actually, I'll take it off. So, the steering wheel was manufactured. This is the first time it has ever been opened. Let's see, genuine leather wrapped wheel. I don't know if you guys have ever seen this. It's actually my first time too. So, if you press on it, it's got like a medium, I don't know if you can see that, but the way it gives, it's kind of got that medium give. It's the same give that this one has. Exactly the same give. And it's not much. It's actually, this one actually has more than this one, but not by very much at all. So hopefully this will fall when I open the door. So here's the first yell. Oh, by the way, I'm wearing my my KPP TL sweater, so you guys can pick this up in Etsy.com, and it's a ugly Christmas sweater. I recommend it. You know, sponsor me. I just love anything that anybody makes for the 3GTL. So, original seat. I bought this like this with this thing. This happened many years later. So I took out the interior. Just because I'm going to be doing so much work electronically there because of the putting together the anyways, so everything is temporary. This steering wheel here this is my original one. Look at that. You just clean your steering wheels and they just don't go bad. I mean, they just, well, I guess there's maybe something right there, maybe something, but they just don't go bad. Just keep them clean and don't like eat food in your car and get all that salt and fats and oils and all that all over your steering wheel. So that one is like a, it's the same actually. So this is basically a base model 07, 08 or 04, basically a non-Type S steering wheel. But this says Type S, and this is from a Type S, and this is hard as well. I mean, it's actually a little bit harder than this one. So it's like there's no consistency between the wheels, but some wheels also have an 0406 wheel in my storage. And that wheel is, oh, by the way, I put one of my ASPEC things on there. I think it complements the car. And that damage on the bumper. So on this steering wheel, I don't know if you can see this GIF, but man, it's got so much give. And even though, like, after I cleaned it, the car was filthy when I got it. Like, you can see that damage there. And this right here. But, like, I mean, it's decent, you know. But, man, the give that it has so soft. You see how much give it that has? You see that? It can even go more. I mean, it has so much give. It's so soft. And this car is made basically for pleasure driving, just like the red one. It's not for racing. So, and I love, like, when you get out of the car, you see all that blue, especially in the sunlight. And it looks amazing. So that steering wheel, the 0708, and it seems like the 6-speeds are very soft. That one is basically brand new, and that one is soft as well. But like the 0708s, the non-Type S's basically, they're kind of, I don't get it. This one is supposed to be but it's like, it's also not soft. So I don't know if they have this different manufacturer. They started stamping them out differently. But yeah, there's differences between steering wheels. Let me know if you guys have the soft or the hard steering wheel. So that's steering wheels for you guys on the TL 3G. Yes.